Hello guys, welcome once again. This is Tech PBA. Thanks for joining me. So in this video I'll show you how to increase the size of a volume or partition on your Windows 11 PC when the extend volume option is grayed out in disk management. So very quickly I'll click open the file explorer to show you this, that the disk H on this PC is just left with 24 megabytes of free disk space. So we're going to increase it by shrinking the local disk C, which has 216 gigabytes of data. We'll shrink a portion of that and add it to the disk H. To do this, we're going to type disk mgmt.msc in the search box next to the start button and select the run as administrator. Enter the admin username and password. If the PC is your personal computer, you wouldn't need to enter any admin username and password. So that would open the disk management window, and like I said before, we're going to shrink the local disk C. So I'll right click and then select the shrink volume, which will query the volume for the amount of disk space we can shrink. So this is the amount we can shrink. I'll leave the default and select the shrink option to begin shrinking the local disk C. So after the shrink, we have 38.49 gigabytes of unallocated space, but because the unallocated space is at the immediate left of the volume we want to extend or increase, this would not work. For this to work, the unallocated space needs to be at the immediate right side of the volume we want to extend. So when I right click on the volume we want to extend, the extend volume option is grayed out, so meaning this wouldn't work in the disk management area. So because of that, I'm going to use the application known as EaseUS Partition Master to resolve this issue. So quickly I'll open the Chrome browser, search for the download of the application EaseUS Partition Master download, and then best practice is to download from the Microsoft Store. So I'll select the EaseUS Partition Master download from the Microsoft Store website. Click the download option to begin downloading the application. Click on the application from the download complete area, and the next thing is to select the install option to begin installing the application on your PC. If you get the new version download, make sure to select the upgrade now option to install the latest version of the EaseUS Partition Master on your PC. You would need to click start now to start the application on your PC. So you can see the application is started and the window is open. The next thing is to click the resize or move option at the top right, and you need to select the partition. Click the slider on the left side of the partition, drag it to the left to fill out the unallocated space we got earlier by shrinking the disk C. Click the execute one task to begin resizing the partition or the volume, and this gives you a summary of what it's going to do. Look through and then click the apply option to begin the operation. When this is done, it would increase the volume for you just as you want it to do for you. So you can see the operation is done and the partition has been resized from 107.42 gigabytes to 145.91 gigabytes. Click the done option. So close the application, and the next up is File Explorer. So I will click on File Explorer, and you can see that the volume's color has changed from red to blue because now we have enough free disk space. So yes guys, kindly subscribe, like and share for more videos, and then I will see you in the next video. Bye for now.